To find out what the weather is like for this weekend should you get out. That's at the Finley Center, so it's kind of indoors.
Yeah, it is. The walk from the car to inside this weekend is going to be a little fast because it's going to be much colder out there than what we saw out there today and what we'll have tomorrow. Right now, though, mainly clear, I should say mostly cloudy sky here right now. No problems out there from our BJCC camera. Temperatures coming in 63 degrees. It's not bad if you're going out to dinner this evening. Pretty comfortable weather for you here in town. At 60 degrees, Tuscaloosa to Alabaster. Down to 52 in Jasper, Coleman at 55. Double Springs, you're at 59. Same for Adiana with Talladega at 55 degrees, 58 from Lineville to Alex City now. So we do have some comfortable weather out there, we'll call it, but plentiful high cloudiness, and we'll see this really continuing throughout the night tonight, and the clouds will be thickening up as we head into the day tomorrow. So what we're going to be watching here for is notice the southerly flow here we have. That's going to actually help to take this front and bring it a little closer to us. Right now, it's moving through the Nashville area here and just not too far away from Jonesboro in the Memphis area. But I want to show you, though, notice here right along the front, there is no rain tied in with this system yet. That'll be changing, though, tomorrow as it's going to be tapping into some of this moisture coming up from the south, and that is going to allow it to get a lot more wet weather developing, and we're going to have that rain moving into Birmingham. Now, we don't have to really worry about drought conditions anymore. There's just the northern part of the state is abnormally dry here. You can see some of the worst drought conditions off here to the west, back in parts of Mississippi, still extreme there, but just to basically abnormally dry across our area, and that's really how we're going to see things here for the next couple of weeks thanks to the wet weather returning to the region. So if you're heading out this evening, no rain, 56 at 7 o'clock, 53 by 9 o'clock, and tomorrow morning waking up to temperatures in the lower to middle 40s for much of the area. Not quite as cold, but we'll have the clouds, and then temperatures warming up to the 60s by midday. How about 68 degrees? Some of you may get to 70 in the afternoon. It'll become a little breezy with those southerly winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour, but that rain chance is going to increase Friday night into Saturday morning, and then after that we dry out as we head into Sunday and the first part of next week. So for northwestern Alabama from 7 p.m. Friday to 1 a.m. Saturday, that's when we can see those showers. 9 p.m. Friday to 4 a.m. Saturday, basically along I-59 corridor, and then the southeastern part of the viewing area, 2 a.m. Saturday to 6 a.m. We'll have a couple of those showers, but the rain's really going to be lessening as it goes farther to the south. So the cold air, though, that's what's going to come into play here as we head into the weekend. That's the other part of this system. So the rain's first, and then we have the cold weather coming in. So let's break down Friday morning in the 40s for you. A lot of clouds throughout the day. Temperatures get into the mid and upper 60s in the afternoon. Then as we get to 7 o'clock, rain up near the Hamilton area, spreads its way to Carrollton, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Aniana, Gadsden area, and Asheville. And much of the region really kind of dealing with the wet weather out here. There's not going to be any storms, just some pretty good rain coming in. That'll kind of move through overnight while you're sleeping. So when you get up on Saturday morning, we're talking 30s and 40s, but temperatures only struggling to get to the mid 40s Saturday afternoon, maybe a few peaks of sunshine, but really going to be quite cold out there throughout the day on Saturday. Rain totals maybe a half an inch to an inch in spots. I think most of us going to pick up maybe about a tenth to a quarter of an inch of rain. But Saturday's high only 46 degrees, wind chill in the 30s for the better part of the day. Sunday, though, a lot of sunshine, temperatures around 54. Look at those wind chills on Saturday in the 30s to around 40 degrees. But Sunday morning, teens and 20s out there. That's right, because we're starting Sunday at 27, 28 the low on Sunday night. But look at that, 60s and near 70s, Sherry, as we get into